Mate say national service registration, you know, mutia.
She.
Me on. And I buy no. Oba say. Oba be did you a man for national service. Obi a would name say all free school any.
Onye
juma national service in so mutia. Omutia for day.
So buy a more allowance.
There be omutia for day. Yes, say national service registration omutia. Minim say. Oh, me yasho say me tuya bibi asade. National service.
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma nsabeka na news studio so ya nyina akoso ni ni beso pa so. Now another day I came across a video and now watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no, I decided me for free when say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay, I will say, youth of youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Mate say national service registration, you know, mutia.
She.
Me on. And I buy no. Oba say. Oba be did you a man for national service. Obi a would name say all free school any.
Onye
juma national service in so mutia. Omutia for day.
So buy a more allowance.
There be omutia for day. Yes, say national service registration omutia. Minim say me yasho say me tuya bibi asade. National service. Mo show no me racho. Obetimi akọ Facebook. National service obi dey say even national service registration we pay. Dia na mutia no just explain to me because already enke be shocker. National service registration. Sir, for day like who register for day? National service. Who best some just a service also prison service, fire service, police service, military service, custom service,
national service.
Just a service. Omuni diana service. I was saying nipa omutua sika pa ema Ghana for ansa politicians. Kamo kwa mutua sika because yenim dia mukodi wo ho. Minim but almost say they pay for reposting any replacement. I don't understand, but moment yes, I bought form 220 cedis, fill it 100 cedis, aptitude test 100 cedis at the cafe just to calculate. Next, I'll multiply by and just say I can't no. Say 220 no.
Radio is so about 400.
About 400. Lorry fare my. Or got na home meat pie or better NDC and fairly manum. Oh, just I sign impoverish the people who are already poor. No. Nana,
so Obape or the Ajubani neighbor.
I was here dear nice form. Now you fight for Obi or ha or te East Legon. Obi or te cantonment. Inti soja sama ye kaino. What is a motor forms and say I can't 220 cities, no. And no more tia man or passe. 220 cities on what did brave fast, no. Papa, nipa no mo koto forms no. So mo compare jumano. Do na eye nipa. Ghana ye minimum wage saying. Aban say we ye juma. Say na ye ntua 19.27 or say 29. O de mama 19.9 times 25 days of working. O my no yetimi tue obi ka 500 cedis a month. Aban ne jetum. So obi akọ school awie near man 500 cedis. Aban ne say ye fair. Ghana o my no. Or say a fair see ntu obi ka 500 cedis enti broni bi to fi Lebanon ba no aba be bie factory ewo Sprinters no afa Ghana for no otua ne ka 505
and give me a contract to go and insult a president of Ghana somewhere. And I said, this is a big thing that I can do it. And even when you go through, my mom is an adopted child, which the president, my mom is from the president's side, which the president that I'm talking is Nana Akufo-Addo.
Wow.
This thing happened at the time Nana Akufo-Addo was a president. There are certain things I don't want to go to that point because it's something that was uncalled for. And such a man that I respect so much, I was shocked that such a man can give me that contract to go and do. So I said...
wait, I want to understand it well. So the pastor reached out to you and wanted you to do a song.
No.
To insult the president,
No.
or he wanted you to do it verbally.
Verbally.
Honorable Anodompre, Daddy. Uni with team, money mutu. Yanko ponshira o papa. Yasisa o yampi wa ensawama du agira sehen. Yanko ponshira o papa. Yadi ya mabunu no yafra o Samson of our time. Woni ya wiye ye bremu Samson. These are the some of situational. Ya ma menom ni ya papa no ma omo grounds, omo fam. Ya tikrom ha, ya se dollar kofom. Dia na dollar. Impact bay na dollar wo ewo Ghana fo ya setena mu ni abrabo so. Ene ko busa businessman fo a ekra no ma fra brochire situation omu komu wo port. Ni dwirimu a ekoso. Ene wo mu nyina anu omu ho, omu ntimi ma out meka. Say bi ni ehia mo, enya TV so ni radio station so dabi kuani nu ntimi nka ne hawa wo namu nkirew. MPP and woman be saying na ya lacking to honorable me hunu ni amenye. Mu amu betua akuafo ka akuafo do wo mumuro no omo no baya mu ko ye no omo ka 14 million one bag of maize enso no omunya atofo mo to and 3 million omunya ni nyina ne se NDC aban se na de brize no obekwa akofa aburo kronunti obewia kobunko ntaso akoto aburo bag baako 1 billion. Because ye timito one television set 8.something billion ewo man we mu. Yan koto bro wo Brazil na ye bunkonta ye tumia bugana fo. Na ye tuwo man we mu enipa no bia koje bosia do bro ne mo ye nya tofo mo nto na NDC aban to bro free Brazil neba. Adaya ya de ma ye port na mo nto. Ghana fo free ye poultry farm bepe mo ne. Nkosia ye di ni krom ha free tete bepe mo ne. Ena de Brazil mom na wose ye to aburo ma ye nkokọ. Adwene krono adwene. Yet wo man we mu yankasa ya maamenom ne ya papa no ma do aburo enya atofo ete wose ye kra aburo free Brazil. Enya politics ni yo eno ma bi wo ho a ekoso aban we ya breso abufu time sabi nyansa bia ni ho a ewom ti krom ho kra bro free Brazil ona bu nyame nhira o mokura mo basabi mo ba ye ma akuafo timi ton o no baye enya sika to o mu botom no koko akuafo mo pagya o mu koko buo mu etua o mo ka no yenya nipa no mu bi mo tisi fom eko insight akuafo dada o mu abape mo ne kuani nsanka ni sika na mo de amotete radio station so TV station so ade na mo ye we need you people on the ground ye hear mo grounds na Ghana fo esu Ghana fo adwadifo esu Ghana fo akuafo esu asukufo nkwade esu we need you people on the ground adwuma no wo form ukọ form ho a sani akuafo ka omo ha no na Ghana fo hu sampa weni no ma ekoso ya TV station so na mokwa omo ya dollar hu debate dollar rate hu debate ade emfaso na de owo akosimintim ne ye wote adwira kwa medanso dora wo eyewo na brabom emfaso be na dora ewo na brabo so ye hia mo grounds ye hia mo grounds abambone enkrofo we ya mebu man yo Ghana fo eno na ya me ya dabi munya fom agudie omo ba ye efom agudie na omo hwehwe yes dwoma ma ne nua efom agudie ne ye pe asesa ne nyina akogugu adie me nua no mo amugu sirem mo hwehwe situation amonam enne ebro bayire beans ene bayire eno na mo de bom ho bra mo hwehwe de amonam ne me se dwoma ma o mebu man me ka kire mo ene da ho no ono na busua me ya wawie na busua me ya wawie gonja mafia na busua me ya wawie asa akuafo ya adwuma ehia atofo dabi ewasi yakwa krabro free Brazil na ye de akoya nkonta bu Ghana fo sika ne dwirima ye dinti ye nto Ghana fo aburo ye tikrom ha ya nya banya wase won toga na Brazil wo wasase papa chen Ghana Brazil na ono na asase wura ne sere ayi ahwede nko na odedo no Brazil wo wasase chen Ghana Brazil wasase chen Ghana ewia be ka kire yese galamsenti yensa ase asaya yentumi mfanya ayi ti ekoto aburo afri Brazil obi tisra so timpomu wansamire ado forest green ya noda adua bro onya atofo wo se Brazil aburo na ye akronfo Brazil wasase ya de do aburo papa chen Ghana wo wasase ya de do mo papa chen Ghana NDC akronfo aban Brazil wasase papa chen Ghana
NDC mpanimfo amuni munyansa you are the ones I blame. Now NDC in tears yes amunya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a family one example. Say mpanimfo no bi me frɛ mu amonfa no me hia wo hwi o. Anabisi o. Me nua ba anabisi o. Me ka say me nua ba because me maame firstborn ewo 54 years ono ye pe enti wo ye me nua ba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how maame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message a you don't even read me nim se me free wo asem bi o wadwen ye o se me be sre me wan so me sre skada me NDC ni bi e di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada. Nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me and na o se ohia boa ohia ska. Nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again. Me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achema dieda, which of course achema dieda e onu akasa na kumemu e na odi chair me man sre no me nya sesrefo enti ye frem mu na se mo mfa e mama dwen nya mo se ye frem mu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai with musem what thing with trim what thing why say chin say bare mo de credo at mo panty mo no problem me ano so boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem mo de montena se na mutiri mu nya den na mo no matamfo na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene ohene baba oba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka se ye frem okura mo mfa biem Nurudi na bas mu nyina na ye ne mu a na ekọ na eba o ene
adwini future obetimi ko gina adokro ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kura we na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni